Start, sir.
Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, students. Welcome to our live webinar classes carried by Workplace Society. Myself, Ch.Pair, EZT Maths, Wyra. Today, class is pair of straight lines, class 2. Yesterday, we are completed some theorems and problems. Today, see our next important problems. First one is show that the product of the perpendicular distances from a point alpha comma beta to the pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. That is modulus of a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by under root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. See what is the meaning of the problem. Product of the perpendicular distances from a point alpha comma beta to the pair of straight lines in ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. That is modulus of a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b square a b whole square plus 4h square. Solution ax square plus 2hxy square is equal to, that is the product, we know that is the product of two lines. They are L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. Already we know this product. What is the given results here? A is equal to L1 L2, B is equal to M1 M2, and 2h is equal to L1 M2 plus M1 L2. Already this results seen yesterday. Now d1 is the length of the perpendicular from the given point alpha comma beta to the line 1 in pair of lines, that is L1x plus M1y is equal to 0. We know that the perpendicular distance from point to line, what is the formula? Perpendicular distance formula is modulus of ax plus by plus c by under root of a square plus b square, where d1 is equal to a means where L1, that is L1, x means alpha, L1 alpha plus M1 into beta, plus there is no constant c, that is value 0, by under root of a square plus b square. A square means L1 square plus b square means M1 square. Let D is the perpendicular distance from alpha comma beta to second line, that is L2x plus M2y is equal to 0. Let that is D2 L2 into x means alpha plus M2 into y means beta, by under root of a square plus b square. A square means L2 square, b square means M2 square. Okay, next. The product of the perpendiculars from alpha comma beta to the given pair of lines is d1 into d2. What is the product of the lines here? d1 and d2 is perpendicular distance. Product of, he is asking product of perpendicular distances means d1 into d2. That is seen in the next page. d1 into d2. Where d1 means what is d1 value? L1 alpha plus m1 beta. Observe the numerator in d1 and d2. In numerator in d1 L1 alpha plus m1 beta. In d2 numerator is L2 alpha plus m2 beta. Then d1 d2 is equal to modulus of L1 alpha plus m1 beta into L2 alpha plus m2 beta by what is the denominator? Observe in denominator is d1 under root of L1 square plus m1 square. In d2 denominator is under root of L2 square plus m2 square. Okay, where d1 d2 is equal to denominator is under root of L1 square plus m1 square into L2 square plus m2 square. Next, that is equal to d1 d2 is equal to, observe in numerator, multiply the L1 alpha with L2 alpha. That is L1 L2 alpha into alpha square. Next, L1 multiplying L1 alpha with M2 beta. That is L1 M2 alpha beta. Next, multiplying M1 beta with L2 alpha. That is M1 L2 alpha beta. Next, multiplying with M1 beta with M2 beta. M1 M2 beta square. Okay. Print mistake here, students. M1 into M2 beta square by under root of L1 square into L2 square. L1 square L2 square plus in the denominator multiplying L1 square with M2 square. That is L1 square M2 square. Next, multiplying M1 square with L2 square. M1 square L2 square. Next, lastly M1 square and M2 square. Next line. D1 D2 is equal to modulus of, in numerator first term is L1 L2 alpha square plus, observe the middle two terms, alpha beta is common. Taking alpha beta common, L1 M2 plus M1 L2 alpha beta plus M1 M2 alpha beta. Now students, that is also beta square by under root of L1 square L2 square plus M1 square M2 square as it is. The denominator subtracting with minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 and adding 2 L1 L2 M1 M2. Next. That is D1 D2 is equal to, observe the numerator, L1 L2 alpha square. L1 L2 means small a. That is a alpha square. Next, L1 M2 plus M1 L2, that is 2h value. 2h into alpha beta plus M1 M2. What is the value of M1 M2? M1 M2 means b, small b, b into beta square by under root of plus M2 square minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2. That is clearly the formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. That is complete formula, a minus b whole square minus M1 M2 whole square plus next L1 square M2 square L square to L1 into M1 M2. That is a plus b whole square in L1 plus L2 whole square. Then D1 D2 is equal to modulus of a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by under root of L1 L2. Again L1 L2 means small a minus M1 M2. M1 M2 means small b whole square. A minus b whole square What is the value of L1 M2 plus M1 L2? That is 2h value. Okay, 2h whole square. 2h whole square means 4h square. Okay. See the next problem. Show that the area of the triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. That is modulus of n square into under root of h square minus ab by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. Now to find the area of the triangle formed by the pair of lines and a given line, that is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. See the solution. This is very important problem, 7 marks in our intermediate examinations. We know that pair of lines h is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to, that is the combination of L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. We know that the result of the product, that is small a is equal to L1 L2, b is equal to M1 M2, and what is the 2h value? 2h is equal to L1 M2 plus M1 L2. Here let equation 1 is L plus M1y, equation 2 is L2x plus M2y. Now let the equation 3, that is given equation, Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Okay. Now solve the equation 1 and 3. What is the equation 1? L1x plus M1y is equal to 0. Equation 3 is Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0. Okay. Take the coefficients of x, y and constants. In the first line, what is the first line? L1x plus M1y, there is no constant. First take the y coefficient. What is the y coefficient here? M1. Next, constant, there is no constant, 0. Next, taking x coefficient, that is L1. Next, again taking the y coefficient M1. In third equation, the same process, taking y coefficient is m, next constant is n, next x coefficient is l, again taking y coefficient is m. Okay, this is matrix method. Observe the 2 cross 2 matrix. From the cross multiplication, we get x1. What is the value of x1? See the cross m into n minus m into 0. M into 0 means that is also 0. Therefore, x1 by m1n minus 0. That is equal to, see the y1 value. Y1 is here also 2 cross 2 matrix. 0 into L, that is 0, minus of n into L1 minus n L1. Y1 by minus n L1. That is equal to 1 by constant by, this is also 2 cross 2 matrix, AD minus BC, like L1m minus L into M1. Okay, comparing the equation, x1 by M1n equal to 1 by L1m minus L1. Okay, multiplying x1 denominator with in third term 1. Then we get x1 is equal to m1 n by L1m minus Lm1. Equation y1 is equal to minus n L1 by m minus L1. Therefore, what are the coordinates here? A x1 comma y1 is equal to mn by L1m minus Lm1 comma minus n L1 by L1m minus Lm1. In the same way, from 2 and 3 equations. Okay, in the same process, solving the equation 2 and 3, we get the value b x2 comma y2, that is m2 n by L2m minus L2 minus L n L2 by L2m minus Lm2. Okay, this is the coordinates of the. Now we have to area of the triangle OAB. O means what is the value of O? O is 0 comma 0. That's why area of the triangle formula is clearly half into only x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Why? Because where one vertex of the triangle is 0 comma 0. Only two vertexes is there. Then area of the triangle formula half into x1 y2 minus x2 y1. That is equal to half into x1. Value of x1 from the point A x1 comma y1 we get x1 is m1 n by L1m minus Lm1. Next y2. Y2 means from the point B. Y2 means minus n L2 by L2m minus the same way x2 value from the point B, that is m2n by L2m minus Lm2 into y1. Y1 means from the point A minus n L1 by L1m minus Lm1. Okay, that is equal to, observe the LCM in two terms, that is equal. Okay, what is the LCM here? Only L1m minus Lm1 into L2m minus Lm2. Okay, what is the numerator here? m1n minus m1 L2 n into n square. Okay, in the second term minus into minus, that is converted into plus m2 L1 again n into n square. Okay, in the numerator taking n square is common. Okay, n square common into m2 L1 minus m1 L2 by denominator as it is L1m minus Lm1 into L2m minus Lm2. See, what is the formula for a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square. Sorry, a minus b whole square is equal to, that is right in the form of a plus b whole square minus 4ab, where a minus b is equal to square root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Choose the formula. In the numerator, what is the value here? m2l1 minus m1l2. That is looks like a minus b. Okay, apply this formula. Half into n square into under root of a plus b whole square. A means L1m2 plus b means L2m1 whole square minus 4ab. 4 into L1l2 m1 m2 by multiplying the denominator L1m with L2m. L1 L2 m into m square. Okay, and multiplying L1m with minus Lm2, that is minus of L1 m2 Lm. Next, multiplying minus LM1 L to M, that is minus of M1 L2 LM, minus of L2 M1 LM. Next, last term, multiply minus into minus here plus L into L square M1 into M2, that is M1 M2 L square, that is equal to half into n square into under root of the numerator L2 M1 plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1. What is the value? That is 2h value whole square. 2h whole square means minus 4 into L1 L2. L1 L2 means again A, M1 M2 means B, 4AB by modulus of L1 L2 M square. Observe the middle two terms, that is minus Lm is common. Taking minus Lm is common, remaining L1 M2 plus L2 M1. Next, minus of M1 M2 L square, that is equal to half into n square into under root of 2h whole square means 4h square minus 4ab by L1 L2. L1 L2 means small a, am square minus, what is the value? L1 M2 plus L2 M1, that is 2h. 2h Lm minus M1 M2. M1 M2 means B, that is BL square. Okay, that is BL square. That is equal to half into 2n square. Taking 4 common from the root, that is the 2. 2n square, square root of h square minus ab by modulus of am square minus 2hlm plus, this is plus students, not minus, that is print mistake, plus bl square, that is equal to 2 get cancelled, n square under root of h square minus ab by am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. Okay. See the next problem. Find the centroid and area of the triangle formed by the lines 12x square minus 20xy plus 7y square is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. We are asking centroid and area of the triangle. See the solution. Given pair of lines, that is 12x square minus 20xy plus 7y square is equal to 0, and the given line is 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. From this line, 2x value is taking minus 3y plus 4, right side of the equation, that is convert into plus 3y minus 4, that is equation 1. What is the value 2x here? 2x is equal to 3y minus 4. Substitute 2x value in the given pair of lines, 12x square minus 20xy plus 7y square is equal to 0. Okay. Next, 12x square, that is right into 3 into 2x whole square. 2x whole square means 4x square. 4 into 3 means 12. That is 12x square, right in 3 into 2x whole square minus 20, right in terms of 10 into 2. 10 into 2x. Sorry students, here also print mistake y, there is no y. Minus 10 into 2x into y plus 7y square is equal to 0. Substitute 2x value in the equation. 2x value means 3y minus 4 whole square minus 2x. 2x means 3y minus 4 into again y plus 7y square is equal to 0. Okay. Expand the form 3y minus 4 whole square. A minus b whole square. That is first a square 3y square 9y square plus b square 4 square 16 minus 2ab 2 into 3y into 4 total 24y minus multiply 10 into bracket and also y minus 10 into 3 30 y into y square. Next minus into minus plus 10 into 4 40 into y. Next plus 7y square. Okay. Now here multiplying with 3 3 into 9 27y square 3 into 16 48 minus 3 into 24 27y remaining minus 30y square plus 40y plus 7y square is equal to 0. Total 27y square minus 30y square, that is minus 4y square. Next, observe the y terms. Minus 72y plus 40y, that is minus 30y. Next, remaining 48, constant value. Okay, total equation dividing with 4, we get y square minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. Next, y square minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. That is right in the form of y square minus 8y. 8y means minus 6y minus 2y. Okay. Taking y common, y minus 6 minus 2 common, again y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Again y minus 6 is common. That is y minus 6 into y minus 2. That is equal to 0. Y minus 6 is equal to 0 and y minus 2 is equal to 0. From that, y is equal to value 6 and y is equal to 2. From equation 1, 2x value is 3y minus 4. Let where take y is equal to 6, substitute in equation 1. 2x is equal to 3 into y. Y means 6. Okay. 3 into 6, 6. That is 18 minus 4. That is equal to 14. Total 2x is equal to 14. From that, 2x is equal to 14, x is 7. X value is 7. Therefore, the point of intersection of 1 and 3, that is A 7, 6, where x value is 7, y value is 6. From the equation 1, 2x is equal to 3y minus 4. Now let y is equal to take the value 2, substitute in equation 1. 2x is equal to 3 into y value is 2 minus 4. 3 into 2 means 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. That implies 2x is equal to total value 2. Both sides 2 cancel. We get x is equal to 1. From this, the point of intersection B is 1, 2. Now we get the points A 7, 6 and B 1, 2. We know that the locus of 12x square minus 20xy plus 7y square is equal to 0. That is 0, 0. Why? Because this is also second degree homogeneous equation. There is no constant. Therefore, the point of intersection of the given pair of lines are 0, both 0, 0, A 7, 6, B 1, 2. Now, find the centroid of triangle OAB. Everyone know that the centroid of the triangle, that is G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. G is equal to, substitute the values, x1 means 0 plus x2 means 7 x3 means 1 by 3 comma y1 means 0, y2 6, y3 2 by 3. Okay, the total 7 plus 1 8 by 3. In second term also 6 plus 2 8 by 3. That is the centroid of the triangle Z is equal to, we get 8 by 3 comma 8 by 3. Now find the area of the triangle OAB. We know the formula. If O is the origin, area of the triangle with OAB is formula only half into x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Triangle OAB is equal to half into x1. x1 means here 7 into y2. y2 means 2 minus x2 means 1 into y1 6. Okay, that is equal to half into 7 into 2 14 minus 1 into 6 6. Next, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 14 minus 6 8 by 2, that is 4. Therefore, area of the triangle OAB is equal to 4, where we get centroid of the triangle is 8 by 3 comma 8 by 3 and area of the triangle is 4. Okay. Next homework, students. Complete this homework. Find the same as problem above problem. Find the centroid and area of the triangle formed by the lines. That is, first one is 2x square minus xy minus 6y square is equal to 0, comma x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Second one is 3x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0, comma 2x minus y is equal to 6. Complete this homework, students, same as above problem. Now our one of most important problem. Show that the lines represented by Lx plus my whole square minus 3 into mx minus ly whole square is equal to 0, comma Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 forms an equilateral triangle with the area n square by root 3 into L square plus m square. Solution. Given pair of lines. Now take the given pair of lines Lx plus my whole square minus 3 into mx minus ly whole square is equal to 0. In second line, Lx plus my whole square minus, write the 3 value is root 3 whole square. What is the value of root 3 whole square? That is only 3. Okay. For our convenience, write here minus root 3 into mx minus ly total whole square is equal to 0. Observe the second line. What is the form here? That is a square minus b square. Apply the formula a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means Lx plus my plus root 3 into mx minus ly into Lx plus my minus root 3 into mx minus ly is equal to 0. That a plus b into b. Let's line. Taking x is common, where Lx plus root 3 mx. From these two terms, taking x common, L plus root 3m into x. In another two terms, taking y common. Okay, m minus root 3l into y. In the same way, in the second bracket also taking x and y common, that is l minus root 3mx plus m plus root 3l into y, that is equal to 0. These are two pair of lines. Let that is equation 1 and 2. Okay, the above brackets taking each one is equation 1 and equation 2, and the given third equation is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. That is the equation of the third. Observe the figure. Point of intersection of 1 and 2 is origin. Clearly, why? Because that is the pair of lines. And point of intersection of 1 and 3 is B. Point of intersection of 2 and 3 is taking C. Now, let B is the angle between the lines 1 and 3. Okay. Now, we have to find the angle between 1 and 3. Now, use the formula tan B. Okay. In straight lines, we know this formula tan B is equal to modulus of A1 B2 minus A2 B1 by A1 A2 plus B1 B2. Okay. From the above lines, small a1 is equal to L plus root 3m. This is taken from the equation 1. B1 value is m minus root 3L. A2 means taking from the third line. A2 is equal to L. B2 is equal to also taking from third line m. Substitute in that and B, A1 means L plus root 3m into B2. B2 means m minus A2. A2 means L into B1. B1 means m minus root 3L by A1 A2 plus B1 B2. A1 means L plus root 3m into A2 means L plus B1 means that is m1 minus root 3L. B2 means m. Tan B is equal to multiplying the L with m, that is Lm plus root 3m into m, root 3m minus L into m, Lm minus into minus plus L multiplying with root 3L, that is root 3L square by the denominator multiply L plus root 3m with L, L into L, L square plus root 3m into L, root 3L plus multiplying m with m square minus root 3L into m, root 3Lm. Next line, tan B is equal to, in the numerator Lm minus Lm, both are cancelled. In other two terms, taking root 3 is common, that is remaining value is m square plus L square by, in the denominator root 3Lm minus root 3Lm is cancelled, remaining L square plus m square. Therefore, tan beta is equal to root 3 into the numerator and denominator L square plus m square value is cancelled, that is equal to only root 3. Root means it is the value of tan 60 degrees. Okay, tan B is equal to tan 60 degrees. From the equality, what is the B value? Angle B is equal to, we get 60 degrees. Okay, next, let's see is the angle between 2 and 3. Tan C is equal to, here formula is same formula, A1 B2 minus A2 B2 into minus root 3 and B1 m plus root 3. equation 3, that is L. B2 value is equation 3 M. Substitute in the formula and to 1 minus root 3M into B2 M minus A2. A2 means L into B1. B1 is equal to M plus root 3L by A1, A2. A1 means the denominator L minus 3M into A2. A2 is equal to L plus B1 means M into, that is not, into B2. B2 means M. The tan C is equal to M multiplying with L minus root 3M, M into L, Lm minus root 3 M into M square, multiply with minus L into M, minus Lm, minus into plus, minus L into root 3L, root 3 L square, by the denominator L into L square, minus root 3 M into L, that is root 3 ML, plus M into M square, plus root 3 L into M, root 3 LL. Tan C is equal to numerator root 3, sorry, minus LM, get cancelled. Taking root is common, and M square plus L square by the denominator minus root 3 LM plus root L in L square tan numerator cancel is equal to modulus of minus root 3. Tan C is equal to modulus of minus root 3 means that is root 3 only. Root 3 value is, we know that, tan 60. From this equality, again we get C is equal to also 60 degrees. Now O is the third angle. We know that sum of the angles in the triangle, that is 180 degrees. That means O plus B plus C is equal to 180. O plus, already B value is 60 degrees. B value also 60 degrees, that is equal to 180. O is equal to 180. Left side 60 plus 60, total 120. Take him to right side equation, that is minus 120. Subtract 180 minus 120, that is also 60 degrees. Therefore, vertex O also 60 degrees, where O is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, the given lines form equal triangle. Next, now how to find the height of the triangle? H is the distance from the origin to the line. H, what is the H value here? See in the figure, H is height of the triangle from vertex to base BC. BC means Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. Okay, H is equal to the distance from point to line, that is perpendicular distance. Here given formula, that is Ax1 plus By1 plus C by under root of A square plus B square. A means L. X1 means origin కాబట్టి, that is origin 0 plus B M. Y1 means 0 plus N by under root of A square. A square means L square plus B square, that is M square. That is equal to L into 0 0, M into 0 0, remaining N by under root of L square plus M square. Therefore, the area of the triangle OABC is H square by root 3. What is the formula for area of the triangle? That is h square by root 3. That is equal to 1 by root 3 into h square. We get the h value is n by under root of L square plus m square, total whole square. Okay, that is equal to n square by root 3 into square and root cancel here, L square plus m square. Okay, what is the area of the triangle here? N square by root 3 into L square plus m square. Okay, the same as above problem, taking whole students, show that the straight lines represented by 3x square plus 48xy plus 23y square is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 13 is equal to 0 form an equilateral triangle of area 13 by root 3. Solve this problem same as above problem. Now see the next problem.
Sir, kindly close the session, sir.
Okay. Sir, shall I continue or cancel, sir?